Good morning. This morning, it's breakfast. I'm gonna cook ham and cheese toasted sandwich. Nothing fancy, gonna keep it pretty simple. Just make a sandwich, put it in the air fryer. Using butter, bit of butter. Go the ham, bit of ham. Put a bit on. Bit of salt and pepper. Cheese. Double up on the cheese, make it a bit cheesier. Put the lid on. A bit of butter. Some on the other side. I'll put it in the air fryer. Go 190. We'll go 5 minutes. See how we go. We'll check it after 5 minutes. We'll flip it over, put it in for a little bit longer. Don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll have a look. Oh yeah, it's looking alright. We'll turn her over. I'll put a little bit more butter on there. Needs crisping up this side. A bit more cooking. We'll go 190 again. Go 4 minutes. Doesn't need much. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, looks alright. Looks good. Yeah, nice and cheesy. Let's give her a go. Looks pretty good. That's beautiful. I like that. That's quick, easy, crunchy, tasty. Pretty easy. See you on the next one.